Hi, in front of me is ALCATEL 1B 2020 and today I would like to show you how you can use sound recorder on this ALCATEL device. First of all, go into Play Store and type recorder. Then download one of these apps. I like that one, so I have to click on it and tap install. Then wait. Now open it. Click allow. And tap on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it by tapping on the smaller one. And if you want to end it and save it, click on the big one again. Then name your recording over here and tap OK. If you want to see a list of all of them, just click at this headphones icon at the bottom left corner. Then close an ad. And as you can see, my recording is over here. If you want to delete it, all you need to do is click on this pin icon at the top right corner. Click on the recording and select delete over here. Then tap OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!